Alright, what's going on, guys? This is KI Motorsports and we're going to do some Camaro things. Alright, you saw it in the title, but what I've got is a progression ignition, Bluetooth controlled computer distributor. This will give me better control over my timing, because I'm not really into the whole mechanical everything, trying to make it work the way I want when I can just build a timing table and set it up the way it should be. So, I'm going to get this in today. First thing I'm going to do is pull the spark plug wires off. Plug wires are off. Next thing I'm going to do is pop off the connectors on the distributor cap. Alright, you can see up in there I got the distributor out. Now I'm working on the wiring. And then once it's wired, I'll drop the new one in and we'll fire it up. Oh, and I got to figure out where to put the coil. Alright, I got the wiring all buttoned up. So the next thing I'm going to do is drop in the distributor. I'm going to mount the coil after I know it runs. So we'll do that. Alright, I'm back at it. I'm having trouble with the distributor, getting it to sit down all the way in the oil pump. And I'm not feeling too great, so I took a break for a while, but now I'm back to give it another shot, so we'll see how this goes. Alright, I got her popped all the way down. What it was is the bevel on the distributor gear wasn't super deep on this one, like it was on the old distributor. And it was also the tab that goes down in the oil pump shaft was 90 degrees different, so it must not have been letting it in. I just turned it, went in there with a long screwdriver, turned it to where it should be, kind of, and it popped right in. So we're going to put the cap on and see what happens. Sorry about any excess noises and some major shake going on right now. I pulled the camera off the tripod to get in here closer. You can see the distributor's in. So now I got to plug the harness in, connect the tack to it, which is already wired in, and then find a place for the ground, which should be pretty easy considering this car is made of metal. So I'll get this all set up and show you with the cap on. Alright, so I'm making my table that I'm going to start out with, if the camera will focus. So you see all my specs there for a Vortec head, it's whatever. So I'm going to generate this table. I'm just going to leave this here on my phone. Gonna fire it up, check the timing light, make sure I have it at 10 degrees like it should be, then I'll apply this table. So here's the first fire. RPM's kinda high. Drop it down to a low RPM. Pretty close. Seems to be pretty good, so I'm going to apply my table to it. I forgot to hook up the map sensor. Hold on a second. What I did was I forgot to hook vacuum up to the map sensor up on the bottom, so I'm just gonna do that real quick. Alright, I got the map hooked up. Give it another fire. Timing is looking good. Reconnect to it. See, we're running right around 17. Gonna do my best to kind of So that's really all there is to it. You saw the timing going around on there. So this should help my car run quite a bit better because I was having some timing issues. And if you like the video, like it. If you dislike it, dislike it. Comment, subscribe, you know, all that stuff. I got more videos coming soon.